Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the headset and PC so pairing succeeds. Put your JBL into Bluetooth pairing mode. LED should blink rapidly because Windows needs the device discoverable. On your PC, open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices, and turn Bluetooth on. This exposes the Add button. Once done, click Add Bluetooth or other device so Windows searches. This step matters because invisible devices cannot pair, and making the headset active reduces timeouts and connection errors. You'll see your JBL appear in the list. Select it and confirm pairing prompts because Windows exchanges keys to secure the link. If a PIN is requested, try 0000. Most modern JBL models do not require manual codes. After pairing, open Sound Settings, choose Playback Devices, and set the JBL as the default device so apps route audio correctly. Make sure to pick stereo audio for music rather than hands-free if you want better quality. Because hands-free uses lower, you finish by testing audio and adjusting volumes on the PC and the headset to avoid clipping or silence. If music sounds muffled, make sure Windows uses the stereo profile instead of hands-free, switch in Playback Devices, because hands-free prioritizes microphone access over fidelity. Finally, if pairing fails or audio cuts out, repair the headset and update the Bluetooth adapter driver in Device Manager. This resolves most stack or compatibility errors. One key troubleshooting tip: repair the device before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.